Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here. Sorry the laundry is running, but I got a package, and I definitely didn't order anything from Amazon, so gonna find out what this is. Wow! Let's find some scissors. Probably should have been prepared first. Alright, that's good enough. Yeah. I guess it wasn't good enough. Wow. I'm sure this video is very interesting. I should learn to open boxes better. This tape is stupid. Okay. What is this? Oh, there's a bunch of stuff. Oh my gosh. Alright. Hold on. First, it looks like I want to see the thank you note. Oh man. Oh my gosh. There's a bunch. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's from a fan. And oh my gosh. Wow. I am so, oh my gosh, there's a bunch. There's like so many things in here. Sorry. Okay, I was reading the notes now. I'm gonna open all this stuff in here. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. Oh my god, I'm gonna like, oh my god. I did something already that I'm going to cry about. Oh my god, you guys. Okay. Oh my god, these are like Daniel Smith paints. They're like very fancy watercolor paints, and they're very expensive. And there's like 6 of them, and they're like so that you can mix like any color ever. Oh my god. Okay, fine, that's fine. Don't focus on it. I'm so excited that I'm really shaky, so that's probably why. Alright, I give up. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh. I am just like so overwhelmed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are the ones that are made with, you know, like, what are they called? I can't even, my words don't work right now, but they're shiny paints. They're awesome and beautiful, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, oh my gosh. And these brushes, oh wow. I don't have a brush this big. I needed a big brush like this. Wow. This is awesome. Thank you. Oh my gosh, there's more. Oh, yes. Okay, and more Daniel Smith stuff. Oh my gosh, it's a watercolor dot card. Ah, and they're all so pretty. They're like all the shiny colors, and oh my gosh, there's more in here. There's more. Alright, we're gonna open this. I see what it says on it, so I know what it is, but I'm not gonna tell you. You're gonna have to find out when I struggle to open this. Oh no, don't look at my room. Blanket's coming up. There we go. I don't know where my tiny scissors went. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. I don't have a ceramic palette. I only have plastic, and this is like in the shape of a flower. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is good. It's going to hold a lot of paint. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this palette. And one more thing in here. Woo! Sticky. Alright. Yes! Okay, it's this, it's like an empty tin, but it's to put watercolors in. And look how pretty of a color that is. My friend Ushi Prince got like a pink one, and it was a little bigger than this, but I thought it was really cute, and I wanted a blue one. And And yeah, so it comes with the little pans, and so you put them in there, and then you can put watercolor in there, and this will be great. I'm going to use it for all the Daniel Smith paints that I got, so this will be my little Daniel Smith palette, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It is nice. I like the color a lot. It's prettier than it looked like also on the site. Oh my gosh, I am just overwhelmed. Like, honestly, like, I would probably be sobbing right now, but I think that the meds that I'm on, they make my feelings like less intense, which I guess is a good thing, but it's weird for me because I'm used to like feeling so much. Anyways, I'm speechless. Like, I can't believe that I have all these like beautiful like Daniel Smith expensive watercolor paints and these giant brushes and so much that I wanted, and I'm just, oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I am going to use all these things that you sent me. I am just, thank you so much. Thank you. It means a lot to me. I don't even know what else to say. I don't even know what else to say. I'm so blessed. Like, I can't believe that you sent me all these things. It's really special, and it makes me feel really good. So thank you for that. I can't wait to use all of these. It's kind of late now. I always get my mail late, but I'm definitely going to paint tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to it so much. And just thank you so much. And also thank you to all of my patrons: Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Jill, Kim, Rhian, and Ashley. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. And I can do so much because of you. And if anybody else is interested in checking out my Patreon, the link is below. I can't talk because I'm so happy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. I know I struggled a little bit and there was a lot. And I just can't stop smiling. So I really hope that the laundry wasn't too horrible of a sound there, but I had to open this. I was too excited not to. So yeah, thank you so much. And I hope you guys are having a great day, because I sure am. Bye everyone.